Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Japan. So you can see the rectangular shape here for the flags, and there's a circle in the middle. We're going to make it a red color. All right. So the circle is done, red color. Now let's finish inside and fill up the spaces here. So if it's the red color, then the drawing is going to be complete. The flag drawing of Japan is very easy. That's not the complicated. The new version, this is very easy. All right. So this is as simple as this, like this. All right, it's flag of Japan. So the white piece here, white rectangle, and inside a blue, inside a circle which is red, and this is the simple flag of Japan. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. You can also browse through the playlist and you can select lots of drawings from different categories. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.